Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a project in Jasper AI. To find your list of projects, here in the home page, let's hover over to the projects here at the left side. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in the projects dashboard. Choose any project you want, and it'll send you over to the canvas of that project. To share a project, look over here to the top right of the screen. And in here, you can share the project now with users in your workspace. Just make sure that the project is available to all the users in Jasper AI workspace or any workspace that you have available. Alternatively, you can just send over the link to your chosen users. Naming the users will be useful for choosing a select few. But with the link, you can send it in mass into a group chat to let everyone join in on the project canvas. And that's how to share a project in Jasper AI.